am Allison McDowell. I'm the Executive Director for Choctawhatchee Basin Alliance. Grasses and Classes is a hands-on science program that Choctawhatchee Basin Alliance delivers to our local elementary schools. This is Florida Park. We're in Valpy, and this is one of their little jewels of a park. There was a lot of erosion here, so it was an ideal place to plant the smooth cordgrass, which is the shoreline grasses that we grow with the kids, because the grass helps to hold down the shoreline and prevent erosion. And so we came in the beginning and we planted around either side of the boat ramp where there was a lot of erosion. And the plants were doing pretty well there, but because there is so much wave energy here, we decided that we would put in oyster reef breakwaters. So we've also put in oyster reef breakwaters along the shoreline here, and they break up the wave energy, and then we started planting behind those reefs, and we actually not only slowed down erosion, but we reversed the erosion and kind of built up some additional shoreline here. So year after year, kids from Lewis and other schools, but Lewis is one that the Okaloosa Gas in particular has contributed to, come and they plant these shoreline grasses to help slow down erosion and provide habitat for lots of critters here in Choctawhatchee Bay.
My name is Amanda Bryant, and I am the Education Program Manager for the Choctawhatchee Basin Alliance. So we teach the kids that the three main reasons we are planting the smooth cordgrass is that they are creating a habitat for lots of critters. So over 85% of critters that are commercially harvested start off somewhere in a bay like ours. So that's very important to have that habitat. They also help prevent erosion. All this wave energy and boat wake can just wash away our shoreline. So our grasses are holding that shoreline in place. And then third, they help filter and absorb pollution that could get into the bay from stormwater runoff.
Grasses and Classes program is really the flagship of our CBA's education efforts. We reach a lot of kids. It's a very popular program. It's anticipated. The schools want to participate each year, but it's really, strangely, one of our most underfunded programs. And so we set up an Adopt a School program, and we were requesting sponsorships from the community, and Okaloosa Gas really heeded the call on that one. They agreed to sponsor one of our classrooms, and because their Lewis School is so close to their offices here, we kind of hooked those two up together, and Okaloosa Gas has really been providing funds for Lewis to fully participate in the program, to bring in all the lessons and materials for the lessons, and to get them really full experience of the field trips here at Florida Park.
Kids just really want to help. They want to be a part of something bigger than they are. So many kids come out here and you can just see it in their eyes. They're just amazed at what's around them that some of them have never even seen before, even though they live just down the street. And also the fact that they're able to be a help and actually be part of the restoration is huge. It really touches their hearts in a way that being in the classroom just can't do. Check out our website at basinalliance.org. You can also find our contact information there.